Seniors have the best quality of life when living in their own homes. However, studies show that they often suffer from malnutrition, preventable accidents, accidental overdoses, poor hygiene, and loneliness, among other struggles when living alone. Retirement should be an enjoyable time in life. Sometimes the joy can be overshadowed by the fear of being forced into a nursing home or a care facility, leaving many seniors feeling helpless and hopeless and feeling like they don't have any other options. Care at Home offers a better solution. Our exceptional in-home caregiving services improve the quality of life for those aging or suffering from chronic conditions. Care at Home enables seniors to maintain their independence and creates peace of mind for their families. We make it possible for homebound seniors and at-risk individuals to stay happy and healthy in the comfort of their own homes. With our services, families can return to a stress-free life, knowing that their loved ones are being cared for by only the best caregivers and care managers. We offer a wide range of home care options, from daily companion care to more advanced skilled nursing care. Our care management program ensures that all important life and home care matters are managed appropriately. We even provide assistance with downsizing and relocation management to create the best possible environment for you to thrive. Call Care at Home today to start receiving the care you need. We will start with your free in-home care assessment to create the perfect customized care plan and pair you with a loving, compatible caregiver. There is a better solution than a nursing home or a care facility. You can get the best care right in the comfort and safety of your own home. Call Care at Home today, and one of our trusted care managers will be happy to answer your questions and start your home care process.